Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for those who are coming back and to those who are just now watching their first video on my channel. Welcome, and I hope you stick around for a while. So today we will be making some crispy oven baked chicken thighs. So as you guys know, I love my adobo, I love my chicken bouillon, my sazon goya, the Mrs. Dash garlic and herb, and Italian seasoning. That is my go-to to season my meats. So we're gonna start off, just like my chicken wing video, by boiling our chicken thighs. And of course, you want to have the skin on because that is gonna be key to getting your crispy chicken thighs is by making sure that the skin is on. So in a large pot, I'm just going to fill that with water and get the chicken in there and start boiling. So it takes about 20 minutes for it to fully cook. So that's all we want to do here is get the chicken boiling and cook them. Do not season them. Do not do anything but boil the chicken. So once we have the chicken boiled, I'm going to go ahead and remove the chicken and get it ready to be seasoned. So now that I have removed the chicken from the boiling water, I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 450 and start seasoning everything. I'm going to be using the seasonings that I showed you guys in the beginning and just going across each chicken thigh with the same amount so they get an even coat of the seasoning. And then once I get one side done, I'm going to go ahead and flip them and do the other side. So now the chicken is nice and seasoned and ready to get into the oven to get nice and crispy. And it's in, depending on how your oven cooks. Mine actually took 30 minutes to get to the point where I needed to flip them. So that's what I went ahead and did here. I'm going to go ahead and flip them and then pop them back in to finish cooking. Okay, so here we are. This is after 1 hour and 10 minutes after cooking. And I just wanted to come in and let you guys just see how crispy these are. So the skin is nice and crispy, and then the inside is still nice and moist. So that's why I like to bake them in the oven. So let me know if you guys try this recipe. It's very similar to my baked chicken wing, but of course is with thighs. And it takes an hour and 10 minutes to get to the crispiness that we like. So I will be eating this with a salad and some Caesar dressing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week.